through his all-time high and go on. Nobody knows. But yeah, the I expect to the bull run in maybe next year because we were already bearish for almost a year, and I'll say this is the best time. Or just wait for a little bit for a deep again for the best investment time. Because what people always do is buy high and sell low. So that's not the thing. Because crypto gets hyped up when it is pumped like hell, and everything goes double, triple. So yeah, and that's why people just FOMO around and start buying. Next, there is coin which is really interesting, which is APT at time, and there city, and you can see that how little this chart is because it has recently launched. So this thing got very high up, and people told that it will compete with Solana. So that's how it started from here when it was listed around 0.8 bucks, and it fucking actually pumped to 99 and 100 bucks on the same day, then dumped. Now went around 7.1, then recently when Aptos NFT was so hyped up. There's so much volume on Aptos that even Solana people left Solana and went on Aptos. Not only the investors, also the founders. Like many of many projects just took their project on Aptos just because it was hyped up. Like that was a Solana project before, but they just changed the mint and start mining on Aptos. So yeah, best project was, I guess, Aptos Monkeys. That went pretty good, but we dipped like a lot. So yeah, now craze is gone and only a few people are out there looking around. So that's basically wanted to compete with Solana, but I think it was just a very short bull on there. Now everything gonna go normal and people has started back to Solana. That's pretty good.